are going live at... Hello, we're going live at the Lassiter recycling event. Please come out and check out this recycling event here at Lassiter High School. We are accepting all electronics. So come on and bring all your electronics. There's also other recyclers here. We do have the junk jockeys. We do have paint, people that are accepting lead paint and outdoor things. However, come bring your electronics. Stop by, support your local high school, support your community. Take a look at what's going on right now.
There's one more TV also. This guy's got it. Hello.
Speak soon.